deafening sound of chainsaws rips through the air, accompanied by the sharp sound of wood being split into layers. Are you ready to feel the intense power and speed of these machines? Let's immerse yourself in the ultimate excitement right now. As the massive tree sways, tension fills the air. With each precise cut, the skilled worker inches closer to averting disaster. You can't help but wonder, will their expertise be enough to control the fall? It's a wonder moment. The Pezolato PTH-1000 devours wood like a beast, turning massive logs into chips in no time. With 1,000 horsepower driving this wood chipper, it makes you wonder, how does it manage such an enormous workload so effortlessly? Watching it work is pure industrial magic. Well, why would they save money hiring a professional instead of cutting the tree down themselves? What a horrible sight. Hope this guy is okay. The Alger's excavation stump shear is a beast when it comes to tearing through stubborn stumps. With powerful hydraulic arms, it crushes and slices stumps like butter. This machine's raw force, combined with expert handling, is key to mastering those tough jobs. The Vectron portable sawmill is a marvel in the world of timber cutting. Effortlessly slicing through 6-inch x 3-inch logs, it offers precision and power in a compact design. Can you imagine how much easier cutting massive timber gets with this? You can tell right away that this truck driver is a true pro. The way he navigates those dangerous roads is nothing short of impressive. Hats off to his skill and nerves of steel. The Tigercat LH155 is a powerhouse when it comes to felling and processing timber. Whether on steep terrain or dense woods, this machine powers through with ease, proving why it's a favorite among operators in the logging industry. Powered by a 49 horsepower engine, it splits and cuts wood effortlessly, ensuring high output for firewood production. With precision cutting and a user-friendly design, it turns even the hardest logs into manageable firewood in no time. This mobile sawmill tackles raw logs up to 5.2 meters in length with impressive efficiency. Watch as it transforms massive timber into perfectly cut boards, making the most out of every log. Ever wonder how giant logs become precise, smooth planks on the go? The Sampo Rosenlu 1046 Pro paired with the Nishula H425 harvester head is a forestry marvel. Compact yet powerful, it maneuvers through dense woods, handling trees with precision. The H425 harvester head ensures efficient cutting and debarking, turning heavy timber into manageable logs. Wow. I was very impressed. This guy damn sure knew what he were doing. And he did that mostly barefoot. Putting those huge logs in the back of the truck was no easy task at all. The Halverson firewood processor is a game-changer for efficiency. With its impressive hydraulic system and compact design, it tackles any terrain effortlessly. Can you imagine the warmth of a cozy fire, all thanks to this remarkable machine? Meet the Tigercat NEM 726, the ultimate machine for tackling overgrown areas with ease. This beast boasts a powerful engine that delivers exceptional cutting performance, shredding vegetation like it's a walk in the park. Imagine transforming a dense forest into a pristine landscape. What could be more satisfying? Introducing the MEMPS Belarus 1025, a rugged powerhouse that's been enhanced with a homemade touch. With impressive horsepower and durability, it can tackle the toughest terrains. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 log splitter, your ultimate ally in the battle against bulky firewood. With its powerful engine delivering impressive horsepower, this machine can effortlessly slice through logs up to 6 inches in diameter. Imagine conquering your firewood pile in no time. Who wouldn't want that kind of efficiency? End of video. If you like this video, please leave a comment with number 1. If not, please let me know by number 2. Thank you for watching.